can't believe we are ready in October and excitement arrives with upcoming Halloween. So I've decided to try a number of different makeups and share a series of Halloween high tutorials for all of our beauties. The first transformation is glittery dreamy Arctic Fox. Shall we get started? I've tried putting on 2 different brown colored contacts for a mystical odd eye look. To get my face ready for the heavy makeup, I will use this toner pad to clear up the skin. And just charging up some hydration, I gotta start with the makeup base. For the makeup to stay in place and last longer, I've used a pink colored base for a brighter look. You know, I've been looking everywhere for a white foundation, but I could only find this white concealer. I will layer this concealer little by little and make a snowy white face. Because the concealer is very matte, I've used a moist sponge to blend. And I will slightly bake this base makeup for a powdery look and long lasting. My brows weren't covered properly, so I went over it again with the concealer. You know how your nose and cheeks go red when you're covered by snow and the cold? Using the rosy red pink palette. With the dried rose shade, I've contoured my nose to get an animal-like face shape. Contour on each side of the nose bridge onto the brows and the tip of the nose to make it look circular. I will cover up the eyelid with the beige tone and match the mood. I will define the crease line using a flat brush with a vibrant red color. Draw up the line by holding up the brush and lean it down when you are blending. Extend the crease to the very front of the eye and farther back. Back to my Clio palette. Use the shimmery beige to add on the lid. I've used my fingers to get the stronger pigment. I'm using the dark burgundy shade to add depth on the crease and to add a bit more color. I also decided to use the dried rose shade again to apply under the eyes for the innocent post-cry face. With a white pencil liner, I will exaggerate the brow bone, making it more look like a fox. Cause I'm not going to use any dark colored mascara today, I've elongated and stiffened up my lashes with a mascara fixer. And while it dries out, draw up a soft eye shape with the white eyeliner, giving a slight droopy look. This here was one of the key points of this Snow Fox makeup. I've defined the eyeline once again with the white liquid liner. Oh, then painted my lashes with it, lash by lash. As if the snow piled up on the lashes, you know what I mean. Gotta love your big white glitters, cause they are great with these magical looks. I've applied them in the front corner and blended to the front of eyelids. This opens up the front of my eyes that might seem too thick cause of the white eyeliner. Can't get enough glitter, so brush on the brow bone as well. And with the dried rosy eyeshadow used before, I will do my cheeks as well. You can go extra on the cheeks to create the frosy look. I've used the burgundy to touch up on the contours here and there. I've made the fox nose with the same shadow and applied the white glitter on the tip for a highlight. Touch on the philtrum as well. And heighten up the lip ends too. A bloody red lip color is what you want to finish up with. I've only dabbed it on the center of my lips and blend it out with a lip brush. To add even more glitter, cause I can, I've applied the chunky pink glitter from my Clio palette on my angel's bow and on the center of my lower lip. I've used the face gems to stick on my eyebrows for them to look like the snow that iced up on my face, which boosted up the mystic vibe of this makeup. and I've flicked the liquid liner brush to emphasize the glittery effect as if those glitters are my own freckles. Ta-da! Here is the finished Arctic Snow Fox Halloween makeup. What do you think? I actually really enjoyed shooting this and love the final look. Maybe try this for your Halloween parties. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and more Halloween makeup video is coming in this month. Stay tuned for next week's Halloween high tutorials. Oh!